Alrighty, here we go. That's the center of the window, which I marked there, which I'm going to mark here on the roof. It's a lot easier for me to measure. Okay, we are 97, so that means we are 95 3/4. .95 inch 3/4. Run 12 inch pitch diagonal. 135 7/16 is our half rafter. Okay, 135 7/16. Wham. It's gonna get nailed right here in line with that fascia. I'm working on it. Let's get this other one in. And there she is. It's all set, ready for Monday. Center of the window, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. That brace is really throwing it off. Anyway, we're good. That nut want to go up. Do the exact opposite from that wall. We'll go up there, come back and return down onto this roof. Frame the gable in there.